Okay, today we are taping for patellofemoral pain or runner's knee. We just need 40mm medium strapping tape, and we're taping in the seated position with your knee straightened out to about 45 degrees. So measuring the tape across the bottom of the patella, you'll find the pointy bit. One strap there. Start on the outside of your knee. I'm going to pull across to the inside with a medium pressure. Overlap that by half again, starting from the outside. Pull across with medium pressure. Smooth it all over. If you feel like your tape is moving a little bit, you can add some cross straps either side of the knee just to keep it in place. So the goal there is to keep our patella in a position that doesn't create irritation or inflammation across the patella and femur or thigh bone interface there.